Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off filter all comments on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon like this. Click on this realize here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy, and here as you see you will find comments. Click on it, and here just click like this, and it's gonna be turned off. And that's how to turn off filter or comments, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.